We're in Rampgill lead mine. Zinc was mined from here as well in a much later date in 1900s.
You can see that, but that is fucking deep. You know it's deep because look how thick those.
Is it 66 meters or something from here down?
It's a long way, put it this way.
Yeah.
I'm not going to get any closer, just for safety. They are insane, the formations, are they? Another arch level. Wow. Look at the palette of colors we have here. It's just simply stunning. Look at all this. Light it up as best as I can.
That is a good light.
Right. It is, it's brilliant. And don't forget you have the temperature. Gerard, don't forget you can change the temperature. So this is warm and this is cold, yeah?
Yeah. Right, I'm just going to have a quick thing.
Let's go. Let's go and check out the next biggest artifact here. Wow. Those are old explosives, are they? They're all calcified sort of things, are they? Yeah? Old explosives.
Oh, is that what they are?
Yeah, they're all calcified over though. But yeah. Very nice, alright. Take your time.
No dog bones, I know.
No dog bones, no one chew them, please.
When they're just cinder, wouldn't
they? Well,
I wouldn't recommend it.
I say yes, I don't know for sure.
Yeah, I still wouldn't really want to touch them or put them in my bag, but...
Wow. This is quite interesting here because you can see the stone level here and the overburden right above it. All this come down and it's weighing on this arch, but surprisingly it's still standing. Oh, wow. There's clearly been a lot of digging off this level. You can see all these bags, they're probably full of rubble from the stuff they've been digging away. Can you see they've been doing a lot of digging here?
It's a crazy old amount
to restore access to the mine.
How come they went from is this two separate entrances then, or compared to the other dig?
Yeah, it's kind of a different way to get to where we're going basically. Wow, look at this.
Wow.
That's really cool to see all the sandbags here. They're nearly close to the roof. Wow. It's interesting, I've never been this way. I would remember something like this. Not this level. I've been in the mine, but not this end. Wow. Look at this. How much digging they've done here.
It must be so nice when they dig through it up into the reveal.
Yeah. That's what I love. The Good Luck Mine Society, because all the digging, you know.
Yeah, I'd love to go, boys. It's such a shame it's so far away from us.
It is. You're welcome to see one day when you want.
I spoke to them before, they said it was like, welcome to go out anytime, especially on a Friday it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's so far.
Yeah. Wow. Keeps going. How far are we, Pete?
Just gonna wait for these boys.
Yeah. Well, they won't get lost, will they? But yeah, wait for them. Yeah, you can see this bucket for transporting rubble from the dig, and a row for haulage. I don't know how old is this dig, but it's obviously part of the conservation efforts to open sections of this mine and to open access, which is fantastic job.
No shaft, just pocket in.
Running shaft, is it?
I don't know, it looks a bit narrow.
Maybe.
I know it.
As Dave pointed out, there's some very fine gypsum needles there. It's hard to capture them on camera, but they're absolutely stunning.
Walk through that dig.
Anthony, there's very fine examples of gypsum needles here, so take a look.
Wow, they are the longest ones I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that one. Is that 3 inches?
Beautiful.
Look at they be sharp. I'm not going to touch them with this.
No, no, don't touch them. They are very brittly, very thin and brittly. Nice old shovel.
The weight of it, very wide as well compared to the wall. I'm used to seeing.
Just for comparison, they are big.
They are big.
Wow. Old rusty shovel, always nice to see.
Yeah, whenever I pick them for that more full size one, they're just ridiculous.
They are heavy, are they?
It wouldn't be nice to use all those.
Some timber. And the stove here
Oh, nice.
opens up a bit.
This footprint, this like nothing goes off.
And it goes off in several directions, as we can see.
You know what? Even if the other one had so much lead on you, this has had pretty much none. There's little bits up here.
You can't see as much lead as
No, the other one was like,
the small cloth mine.
that was ridiculous. That thing was. It's almost like you can carry on mining down there. Just
Yeah. What is this?
Wow. Shot hole, scraper, shovels, and detonator tins and fuses. Are those dynamite sticks? Oh no, it's just.
So that's the scraper, is it, for when they were doing the shot holes? Is
yeah,
that
yeah,
it?
half of it, yeah.
That long bit?
Never seen one of them not in a museum.
Wow, that's dead boxes. Those are the dead cords, are they?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, dead
Two
cords.
shovels. Wow.
Beautiful. Shovels. Wow, that one with all the sulfur on it. That's beautiful.
Stem in.
Nail. Track nail there.
And I get a lot of them come us with. There's detonator tins and detonators everywhere, and they're like
Yeah.
thousands of them.
But the last mine I went to, there were about 12 or 15 in one spot.
Wow. 12, 15 what, shovels?
That's the one.
Just a layer of organic material right in the rock.
Yeah, some mud. Yeah. Obviously deteriorated organic material, yeah. Woo. It's so nice.
It's quality, isn't it?
Yeah.
Richie,
What's that, Anthony?
tiny bits of newspaper, you can't read much.
No.
The word memorable, become, yeah, you'd be very hard pressed to
Very,
find
very.
a date on that.
Very hard to pick up the latest news. The 1800s
Or wherever
news.
it was memorable.
Yeah. What's down there? What you seen, guys?
Some sort of like Prometheus Mark II.
That's is that one of your shits that
No, well, this is an
that's
impressive one.
that's growing the Prometheus stuff? You are the alien mother, aren't you?
Oh, that was so funny.
Yeah, it's like dry.
You are Anthony, I think you are the engineer after all. You created humanity through your shit.
I created life. Loads of mini tailors running around.
Fucking hell, look at this.
Oh my goodness.
God, it looks nasty, that. I think if you breathe it, you're dead.
There's a lovely piece of ore there, but it's so close to whatever this nasty stuff is.
I don't dare touching it. I'm coming out.
Look at that crystal there. It's very close to turd territory there.
Yeah.
Wow, that's beautiful. Just falls apart.
Here. Right.
Get your head in.
Into another arch.
Go in there and blow it.
No, don't.
Blow the bird.
Wow, we get the lovely rusted pins with sulphurous colours here supporting the stonework.
You handle this? Yeah, I'm telling you.
What's that?
You handle this?
Wooden handles.
I'm not sure what off.
Are they wooden?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That doesn't look like a handle. That looks
No.
like a stop of some type, doesn't
It
it?
does, does it? And we've got the ore shut here.
I'll touch when I
And
haven't
that
reached
goes
on
up.
these yet.
That goes up to nowhere, it's running.
Well, I'm impressed with this so far.
Yeah.
I quite like it with a guided tour. You get to see all the best bits, don't you?
Yeah. Look at this.
Wow. Wow.
It's in the right state. It's definitely come crushing down all the...
It's amazing how
What's up in the
strong
stove?
this arch is to just support all this, and like all this happens and it's not
Do you
knocked
know?
anything out.
Do you know a circular structure like this is the strongest structures? Have you ever tried to
Yeah.
crush an egg?
Yeah, it's the same that.
It's almost impossible.
Yeah, it's the same with pyramids, isn't it? Like.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here they are.
Egg thrown at you. You think it'd be really funny? It hurts. You get hit in the head with an egg.
Where are we?
Oh wow.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Now we're talking. Light it up.
This should have been the tea break chamber.
Oh wow, get some good videos, Dave. Some good shorts. Can you explain us, when they're all here obviously, you can explain us how this worked.
The lighting was really nice on that though.
So this horse, what do they call them, Pete? Horse chin? Horse skin?
Yeah. I would have been stood up vertical into those poles.
They would have stood there, yeah.
Yeah. There was a rope around
Rope around them, yeah.
rope around that with a horse walking round in a circle. Might have been connected to this actually,
Wow.
the horse. And then it would have pulled the bucket up from here.
They would have, what would have been at the top? What would have been at the top?
You'd have
Some kind of
probably-
anchor?
Yeah, yeah.
Some kind of pulley?
Yeah, and then a bucket going down.
And a bucket coming down. So this is what they...
In all the ones we've been to, there's like a plumb bob here, or like a sort of angle bob here. It sort of transfers the weight from this to that.
So that's what we're looking at.
Oh my god.
Haulage by horsepower.
Mate, that is 60 metres maybe? 50 metres? That is far.
Yeah, would have just went straight up from there, wouldn't it? Oh, Jesus. Right, okay, yeah.
That is far.
Yeah. That is
Mad, isn't it?
awesome. That is really awesome.
It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice piece, isn't it? Nice.
Right, so after seeing that magnificent horse gin, Pete says that he's going to take us to one area where there's one big old wall, all with all miners graffiti. So let's go and check it out, shall we? Right, so we're coming to an area of crawling. Seems to be an area of the mine that's obviously been dug out and shored up for conservation and access. Wow, look at this.
When I first came to this mine, I bottled it.
Yeah.
Wow,
The lad that was good for this stuff, he there, I said, not a
that's cool. So, oh, is this a stairway?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
Ponies used to go up this.
Hey?
Ponies used to go up this.
Bonus.
Yeah.
Blimey.
Oh wow,
That's what I was told.
A look back at this, how cool that is.
that's nice as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like those old London subway tunnels.
Subway tunnels of Cumbria,
Yeah.
up the steps. Will you wait for the lads? Tell them he's up here.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, you want to wait
So-
for the next man then?
Wow, this is an incline basically, is it? We are walking up an incline. That's interesting.
I have been in this area, but I've not been doing any of those drives that you mentioned.
Yeah.
Wow. That's so cool. Proper nice incline this. Look at this.
I think it goes up behind your head there as well.
Oh, I've been down here, remember? This bit here is absolutely stunning.
Wow.
It's so photogenic, this, isn't it?
Oh wow, look at the colour.
Used to be a wheel there.
How far in we talking?
20 metres.
20 metres or so.
All right, okay.
I think you can see it if you look down, you should be able to see the end of the passageway.
We come straight back out here, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll leave my bag here.
Just straight down there.
So down here, apparently, there is a sump with very clear water, but as we go in, it's going to get murky. I think it's not going to be worth it. I can see it already. So what do we have here? A 1795 J. Is it JP or
Yeah.
JPK 1795? It's one of the oldest signatures I've ever seen, to be honest. It's quite incredible. It is.
Look left and you'll see all the graffiti on
So the
wall.
graffiti is down here, 5 minutes.
5
Shall we
minutes.
do it? But make
Yeah,
sure
I'll
you wait.
I'll wait for
I'll
you.
wait here.
Make sure you wait here.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
I'll wait here.
Is it definitely 5 minutes?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Watch the collapse though, it looks a bit shifty but it's
Yeah.
passable.
Yeah. So down here,
Oh, right, okay.
5 minutes. Basically, after we have a wall full of graffiti. I want to see it.
Yeah, that is cool.
Just shine it sideways. That's the best way. 1775.
TR.
Wow.
That's really nice, right?
EW.
This is the coffin level.
Yeah. It's
Yeah, just that wide picture.
oh, right, yeah,
Yeah.
sorry. Yeah, that's really
Get
nice.
closer to it. Hang on. So shine that rough down like this. Yeah.
Oh, this way.
Let's see, get a bit closer to it. Yeah, so because I'm probably using it on the thumbnail actually.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's cool, isn't it?
That is really cool, thank you.
1775. That is such a long time.
Oh, it comes. It's got to be straight over this collapse.
Yeah. Oh,
It's got to be straight over. So. Wow, look at them stopes here. Wow,
It's impressive this time, isn't it?
that's magnificent. Really is. Size of them stopes, man. Yeah. Thank you. And there's the guys coming back. Wow. Look at that. Oh well, we come into an area that's running down with ochre. Oh wow. It was worth coming this way, fucking hell.
Yeah.
You shouldn't even tell us, mate.
Lovely that, isn't it?
Wow, absolutely, yeah.
So what we're doing now is we're just heading back to the Rampgill point.
Absolutely stunning this. Look at that.
That is probably the biggest one I've ever seen.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Massive,
The way it drips down.
Yeah. And then each one is with each one of these are
Micro chemical, yeah.
That's incredible.
This is what you see everywhere.
I think this is the biggest one I've seen. It's got to be about like 20 foot.
There's a sculpture.
You might want to take
Oh, yeah,
Will
take
you
your
lie
light
down?
down.
Will you lie
I've
down?
forgotten the light.
Point it down or off, yeah.
Right, look at me. Oh, that's good. What I've done is the safety thing with 3 pictures in case you were blinking on one hand. The lighting was really nice on that though.
So this horse, what do they call them, Pete? Horse chin?
Yeah.
Horse chin?
Yeah. I would have been stood up vertical into those holes.
They would have stopped there, yeah.
Yeah. And then I rope around.
Oh,
Rope
Roll around them, yeah.
around that with a horse walking around in a circle. Maybe it's connected to this actually.
Wow.
And then it would have
With an angle bob here, wouldn't you?
pulled the bucket.
Wow.